What's up? What's up, YouTube? What's up, Kingsman? What's up, gang? What's up? How's everyone doing? Hope you had a great weekend. Hope you had a great weekend. Yeah, hope you had a great weekend. We had a nice weekend, nice Saturday, now Sunday. We are up again. We're back again. We're here together, the Kingsman. You know the drill. You know what's up. Um, Feb market breakdown for this coming week of February 23 till the 28th. So yeah, stay tuned, chat, stay tuned, YouTube. Pardon, stay tuned, Kingsman. Let's see, let's see and let's hope or hold, yeah, or hold what the market, what do we expect from the market for this coming week? Or what the market holds for us. Yes, that's what I wanted to say. Let's see what the market holds for us for this coming week. And like always, let's kill it and let's kill it and let's get the bag. Let's get the bag and improving each day, every day. Stay tuned, YouTube. Stay tuned, and let's get down to it. Yeah. Como é que é, FX? Como é que é? Na boa, já te comentei. Podes fazer as horas de partilhar a tua análise. Deixa eu partilhar, para de partilhar aqui. Actually, this needs to be out. Perfect. Podes começar. Podes fazer as horas. Como também posso começar, either way, doesn't matter. Anything's fine. Either way. Chest.
Starting with gold. You know what I wanna do? I wanna stop looking, at the weekly, at the daily time frame. Because like before, I was doing like maybe starting from the weekly,
Mm-hmm.
the daily, and then the 4 hour to see like where the market is heading,
Mm-hmm.
to see the overall direction. Like let's say from the daily to have like an idea of where the market is going. Like we can say the market's going bullish, blah 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 blah. But now I want to do maybe more, like follow, not follow like the direction of the daily time frame, for example, like or the weekly time frame. Because if I do this, I'll be only focused on taking buys because I can see clearly that the market is moving bullish, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna stop doing that and maybe take out the weekly, the daily. I'll still look at the daily and weekly like once in a while, but not every single day. I wanna maybe take out where's the minutes? Okay, here. Sorry.
Oh, that was.
Daily. So what I have here, weekly. Let me. Okay, so I have only time frame 4, right? So here I'm left only with H4. Let me do this. H4, H1, and then M15 and M5. So I wanna stick with these 4 time frames, and I would separate them into two. So these two here, the 4 hour and hour time frame, these two would be giving me that direction that I want to follow. And then these two here at the bottom, 15 and 5, I want to use these two, know exactly where to enter, with whether here or here on the overall direction that I will get from these two time frames, being 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. So that's what I want to start doing. And and I want to get to a point where like I'm having more precise entries, and I'm following the direction of the session or direction of the day, because I noticed that the reason why I was losing so much last week,
Yeah.
was because like I was like maybe like focus too much on like looking at the let me put here once again, looking at the daily time frame. Can I put 24 hour? Okay, no, 1 day. Okay, I was looking maybe at the daily, and then I would
Mhm.
say to myself, okay, the daily is looking bullish. I'm expecting maybe this candle, let's say like this candle, to keep popping up, and then that doesn't happen, and then like I got humbled. I think it was Thursday. It was Thursday. Let me look for Thursday's trade. Thursday trade was here. You know, I was taking buys here, like around this zone, and I was trying to hold it to like all time highs, and then that didn't happen because I was too much focused on what was going on the daily. Because from looking at the daily, it looked like price was gonna just keep going to like maybe 60 levels or 70 levels. And I was taking buys. I got stopped. I got stopped out the break even. I took buys here again. I got stopped out. I think I took more buys here. I think I got stopped out, and then I re-entered. I was making profits. I was making profits, but I wanted to hold the trade, and then I got stopped out at break even once again. Something like completely crazy. And I remember also you also had like buys like around here, something like that. I remember because like price kept dropping, and then I said like maybe you're gonna go to your entries,
Mhm.
and then further. This was on Thursday. I remember very well.
I
And then
think.
yeah, you took a loss here as well. I took a loss as well
Mhm.
because we're trying to catch the buys, because like I was too confident on the buys because of the
Yeah.
halftime.
True. True. True.
Then I remember when I think it was, yeah, Friday, when Friday came around.
It's
Um,
Friday day. No, 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 no,
it's
no, no.
Friday, yeah.
Yeah, Friday as well. We had such a huge dip on gold. I remember.
Oh, no, 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 no. What? This was Wednesday. This was Wednesday that we took losses here. I remember you took trades like here.
Wait, wasn't it
Here.
Thursday? Wait, Friday we
Yeah,
didn't
this
trade.
was
This
Wednesday.
Friday, this.
Wednesday.
Okay, okay,
Wednesday.
okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
And then I remember on Thursday, I remember that we were trading, and then we took trades here. You had trades open up here, right at the open of the market,
Mhm.
when Trump was speaking, like here,
Wait, was is that what time? What time is that?
like
Uh,
1 a.m. almost.
no, before 1 a.m. Trump was around. Yeah, I took trades before 1 a.m. Around 12. Huh? No, 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 no. Around 11. Yes, around 11. Around 12 actually. 11. Actually 11. 11. 11. Yeah, around 11. So
Yeah, because I was there like
before
around here, right?
before Asian
And
Open. Yeah.
yeah, 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 because I remember like I also got stopped out here taking buys, and then I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm gonna come back later on. And you wanted to target maybe 70 levels, I remember.
2970. Yes.
Yeah,
All the way
and
to New
like
York.
when I woke up, price was here. I was like, okay, let's just wait for a small retracement to take buys. And then I remember I personally took buys here. Like I think it was like here, yeah, something like that. I think here or maybe here,
Mhm.
something like that during London.
We
And
have
then
we have a journal for that. It's easy to find.
yeah, 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 exactly.
Yeah.
I
Mm.
wanted to take buys here and hold till like the same TP as you, like 70 levels,
Mhm.
and I took a loss. And then I remember I re-entered here. You know, I was like, okay, this is the retracement. Price is already like going bullish. Let me take another trade. I take a trade here. I put stop loss here, and then I got humbled again. And then I
Mm.
remember like you also took a loss, or you took like a break even trade here, because like this is like which are even called the cells, right?
Is that Thursday? Thursday
Yeah,
around, okay. Yeah, yeah,
that
yeah,
was
yeah, yeah.
Thursday.
Yeah,
I
even
was there
I
like
think you
we
even
were
called it
because
even
we had like
before.
news at 2:30 p.m. like
Mm-hmm.
around here. Like he called the cells, price started dropping, right?
Quick.
This was the cell that I caught.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful soul. Yeah.
Beautiful cell. But I wasn't expecting the sell because I was like, okay, man, price has to go bullish because like we're bullish on the daily, we're bullish on the weekly. So like if I wasn't too focused because like you had this trade running from here, I remember from here till here you're up like 200 and something pips and then price came all the way back down.
I
And I was
remember.
like, man, if I wasn't too focused on trying to like look at the daily and things of that nature, I would probably like maybe avoided the buys
Mm-hmm.
or I could have caught the sells
Oh,
because like
yeah.
yeah because
Anticipated.
like when I was back testing and like trying to test like new ways I can enter the market and like things of that nature, I realized that like maybe like after we created this high, we created this high over here, all-time highs. You know, I could have like maybe not try to take buys here, but like wait for price to drop or to see how price is gonna react. Like you know, during like on these levels because like let's say we go to the 15 minutes, you know, I could have maybe tried to, you know, draw these levels of support and resistance here. Let's say like maybe we put this level here, you know, we have
Mm-hmm.
this, let's put a line here. Maybe here, if I was trying to like take buys, I would maybe take buys here. Okay, take buys here, like on this retracement. Sorry, not this one instead. I would maybe take buys here, like based on the retracement. Okay, I'm not denying that these buys I could have taken. I would have taken a loss. Okay, I would have taken a loss, and then later on I was like, man, price is breaking. I would have taken this loss. Okay, no problem. 25 pips is not a big deal. I could have said like, man, you know, like price now, like on this level here that you can see. You can see this level here that price rejected, this level here. I could have said like, man, price here is not like maintaining itself above like 29.46 and price broke this level and is coming to retest it. It's not breaking above, it's not closing above this level.
Mm-hmm.
It's like you know, coming here bouncing, coming here bouncing, coming here bouncing three times. I could have maybe here in this instant maybe go to the 5 minute or something to see if I find something. Like you can see here that price gave this rejection and also gave this rejection. So after seeing this, maybe on the 5 minute or 15 minute, maybe I could have like avoided, you know, taking more buys and maybe be more focused on taking sells like here. Like let's say like after price rejects here, maybe take sells here. The stop loss doesn't have to be precisely to be like above the level, like here, like a safe stop loss above this week here,
Mm-hmm.
like put a stop loss here.
29 for
Like
29.50.
this was because of
Ro-
only news, right? The reason why price came all the way here is because of news, because otherwise price wouldn't have given like this huge retracement because like after here I think like you could like after this rejection here on the 5 minute you could maybe enter here, like safe stop loss would be like here above like this week here on this big bearish candle, in my opinion. Price was consolidating a bit and then came all the way up because of news, like a fake out, and then started dropping. So like even if you see on the 15 minute, like this is like a beautiful level that price used as resistance, used as
don't you?
support, and then here is using as resistance again, like the same level. You can see like how
Mm-hmm.
many beautiful rejections it has, and like here you could have taken sales, maybe try to target like you know, let me do it like as zones, like maybe try to target these levels, only because you have multiple rejections and touches here, because price can come to this level and reject. This would be take profit one. You could have taken this one as take profit two, because of like we have rejection here, right? Something
Mm-hmm.
like that, or even this level here a little bit up, because also
Yeah.
you have rejections here and you have rejections here, and you can see that price rejected. We don't know which level price is going to respect, right? It's all
Mm-hmm.
based on probabilities, but like you can put this like close some positions or all if you want here, and close everything else here, because like based on the left, price has rejected once, so the probability that maybe price is going to reject once again, like you can see here. This is a zone that price might reject, and this also is a zone that price might reject. So you could have taken sales and target these levels like here, and then target here like as final take profit. So this is not being too much focused on the bias on the daily candle, but being more aware of what's happening in each session, right?
Yes, yes, true, true.
Like what
But
price is doing right now, you know.
plus, I think if you're gonna use the daily candle, I think if you're gonna rely on the daily candle, you're gonna rely on the daily candle for weekly trades. Let's say you're gonna open a trade. Yeah, let's say
Exactly.
yeah, you open a trade. You open a trade on Monday in using the daily candle. You're gonna use the daily candle for to let that trade, yeah, to let that trade run until the end of the week. For that's what I can say for the
Exactly.
daily candle. So
Even
since
even on this trade, I remember we were watching live, and like I was like, man, the daily candle is not looking that good to continue up, because like price
hmm
closed like below this level, and I was watching it live. Price opened here below this golden level that I marked, and
yeah.
price did like was pushing up. And I think you even asked me, is it possible if one candle opens like 15 minutes and like starts pushing up like without no weakness, like that? Very unlikely, but it can happen, right?
hmm
And then here, like if this trade even makes sense on the
Pardon,
on the hour
pardon,
time frame, because you have
pardon.
like
Sorry, 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 sorry.
this resistance that is created, and then bearish candle, bearish candle, bearish candle, and then this one was bearish for a while, and then closed like you know uh doji. And you can see like we had like a weak feel of this zone, you know so this
hmm
trade, like after making a week, a top week, it makes sense to keep dropping, you know so if I was focused on like maybe trying to predict what price is gonna do, like the next hour, the next 2 hours, I would have maybe caught this trade, and like not be too much focused on like continue to take buys, because buys, okay, were valid above this level. I took a loss. I could have like stopped myself for taking more buys, like here, 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 because I was forcing too much the buys, because like I really thought we are gonna hit 29.70,
hmm
or at least 60, because of like
I
everything
would.
that I was seeing, like of Bank of America. No, 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 no. Like a lot of like things that I was seeing that like were giving me super confidence.
That will
Were
give
giving
no,
that we're gonna keep going up. Yeah.
yeah, that were
So
letting you confident. Actually, let for me it was letting. Yeah,
yeah.
because yeah, just because.
So for now, I'm gonna eliminate the daily time frame for a bit and see how I can try to use four
But
hour and hour time frame for direction, and 15 and 5 for entries.
I
So
think.
for now, like doing like analysis for next week,
hmm
I would be maybe marking up, we have like this level. Let me start from the bottom, because I know that we're still bullish on the higher time frame, so I can mark up this level, which is good.
We can use the daily chart to mark yeah, like you're saying golden levels, like you're doing right now, to mark golden levels, not And when we say mark golden level, it's not like we know for sure the price is gonna go there, but just to keep in mind where yeah, just to keep in mind where we're ranging from, and to take
Mm-hmm.
and to actually take possible trades within that range. So you see, right now you marked a golden level of 29 29 29 2000 2921. So
Mm-hmm.
basically throughout the week we can be trading when if like yeah, so we can yeah throughout the week if we're looking for sales, we could be looking for sales all the way, like our TP to be all the way at that level. Same thing goes for buys. So that's one thing that I realized when I back testing. So that
Mm-hmm.
let's use the daily chart for to mark our golden levels to where we expect our maximum. How can I say our maximum check profit? Let me say like that. Yeah, our maximum check profit. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. I want to try
that
just use this tool for now, and like if I really need a daily, I'll use it. But okay, so we have this level. I'm gonna put this. So I have a rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. So now I expect price to keep going up based on what I can see here. I think we're gonna have a bullish week for sure. So let me mark up this. I think like you can like expect price to go up. Yeah, maybe to this high first and then all-time highs. So I this is my analysis. This is what I expect. I
okay.
expect price to like reach these levels here. This one
2964 2964
doesn't have to be 64. It can
doesn't
be
it? Yeah, yeah,
let's
yeah,
put
it's a level,
65. Yeah, let's put
we
65.
need to understand it's a level. It's not exactly that line. It's not a yeah,
Yeah.
it's not exactly that line. It's not exactly that price. It's just we're just marking a level where
Mm-hmm.
we yeah where would we like to if we if I was working just based on price, that's where I would like it to go.
Mm-hmm.
That's where I would like it. Yeah, basically.
Mm-hmm. So I expect like a bullish week. I expect price to come to here, something like that. I don't know how long it will take, but I expect this to happen. So possible entries for this market being gold. That's the direction that I have based on the H4
Mm-hmm.
and H1. So for entries, I want entries to be, you know, this is something I'm trying to implement now. Whenever I want to buy like at lower prices. Whenever I want to sell at like higher prices. So for this instant, I want maybe I'm gonna start using Fibonacci's more for retracements. So
Yeah,
this, yeah, this is a good level. So maybe I would mark like a zone here and say, you know, something like this. So I want price to come here, like a little bit lower, and then I take buys like here. So I'll take my buys here. I'll put stop loss above like all these weeks here. Let's say like middle point will be this one. Week here, week here, week here. Like a lot of weeks. I'll put like stop loss below this, but this stop loss is too big. 46 pips. Wait. I don't have because like when I was back testing, I was using stop losses from 20 pips to 35 pips max. So right now I'm not gonna put stop loss like 50 pips, 45 pips. That's a lot. So maybe I'll take like a trade looking like this. Stop loss like here. Yeah. I'll take this trade. I'll target maybe this highs here first, like here, here. Yeah, that would be my first target. So I'll target like this because price
Okay.
can come here
Reject. Yeah.
and then reject, and then maybe later on continue to break the levels and keep going up. But for now, I'm gonna just mark up these levels and put like my TP here. It's fine. So my trade, the trade I'm waiting for will be this one, and this trade will only be invalidated if price breaks this high. If price breaks this high without like coming back down here to this zone, then
Hmm.
it's completely fine, and I will not take the trade. So yeah, if price breaks this high, I would expect price to give me confirmation above this zone. Let's mark this like as a golden zone, golden level. Above this area, it's also, clean buys to the upside, like buys here for me also makes sense. After a break and retest or a breakout of this level, for me also it makes sense. Like if price decides to do this and then starts trading above this level, I'm gonna take a buy as well, like above 29.45. For me, it's also clean buys to this high, this high, and then 65.70 levels.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take a
Further
look into that. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look into that.
during
Sales,
during.
honestly, I'm not feeling sales. I'm not seeing sales. I'm not interested in sales. I'll not take these
Mm.
cells just now. Cells only, we have like multiple rejections here, a little bit here, almost here, here. So cells,
But we
for me,
cannot we cannot we cannot discard them as well.
yeah, cells for me only below this level, only
Below that.
below 29, 21.
Okay.
Cells only in this zone, in this zone. For me, cells it makes sense in this zone.
In that range.
Yeah, but
Perfect.
above it,
Beautiful.
no,
Beautiful
sir.
cells.
I'm taking only buys. So that's my analysis. This will be like a potential first entry. If
Mm-hmm.
we don't get this trade, then I will take a look into taking trades here. Because also it's a little bit messy, very, very messy to trade in this range here. If you see between here, very messy, you know. I have a lot of like confusion here. Like above this level looks clean, you know, above this level looks clean and below also looks clean, but trading here very, very messy, very, very messy. So I'll give this trade like a chance, and if that's
Uh,
great, I'll take this
l-
one. So that will be my analysis for now. You
but
can
don't you think as well? Let's say go up a little bit that level. That
here.
from yeah, you see go up a little bit. Yeah. Let's say from there.
Oh, I can
Uh,
respect this one, yeah, and just keep going, huh?
and not only that, but wouldn't you also try? Wouldn't you, let's say, grab a sell if it was a liquidity
If it
grab?
breaks and then
Yeah,
come
yeah, yeah.
down.
Yeah, come then. Wouldn't
Yeah,
you
that
take
makes
take?
sense. That makes
Wouldn't you
sense.
take? Wouldn't you take
But
that?
like like
Wouldn't
I would like
wait,
to
wait, wait. I'm asking.
sell.
Wouldn't you take that? Those. Just let's say from there till there. Wouldn't you take that trade? Wouldn't you take that trade if it was like, let's say, a liquidity grab? Like as soon as you drop, it's the big players, big markets, the banks selling the market just in order to have liquidity, in order to have volume, to keep pricing, yeah, to keep pushing price up. Yeah. Would you take those sales, or would you just wait until it reaches the?
I'll just wait because like
Mm-hmm.
if
That
I'm
was my
taking
question.
sales below here like dropping,
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking at this. This is not like a week to be filled. This is a rejection, straight up rejection.
Mm-hmm.
And even
Mm-hmm.
this one is a rejection. So we have a rejection
True.
here. We have a rejection here. The next one, in case price drops, I'm expecting it to be like here. So following this pattern, like you see,
If we're following the Fibonacci sequence, yeah,
like I'm expecting like this, and then next one, this one. But it can also beat this one. I'm not denying that. So a little bit like this, or like this, like here, and then here, and then it
currently
just
respecting,
keeps going up.
yeah,
Yeah.
true.
But I'm trying to like maybe see if I can catch a deeper retracement, like around these zones
Around the,
here.
okay, I see.
Yeah. But
It's
if it
all
breaks this high, it's invalid. It's invalid. It's like it's not valid anymore. So I'll keep this analysis. I'm not changing anything. I'll just maybe keep this like this.
no, it's all fair. It's all fair. As long as we are patient and we enter trades that we find comfortable, we are risking on those
Yeah.
trades. Yeah.
Yeah. Or even yeah. For me, like yeah, I only have this analysis to be honest. The
Okay.
rest,
Thank you. Thank you.
honestly,
Thank.
doesn't matter.
Only on gold. You only trade gold. I don't see you trading
Yeah.
any other
Yeah.
pair. Okay. Okay. I just wish we had some other people trading some probably indices, and yeah, indices. So I would like some indices analysis for once. But we like gold over here at Kingsman. But needed to say that we don't trade. Other people don't trade other things. People also do trade other pairs, other commodities as well. So trade, yeah. So chat, don't mind what you trade. Trade whatever you feel comfortable with. And yeah, just a quick tip. And yeah, sharing your knowledge, sharing your knowledge, share your tips, share your ideas here with us with the Kingsman, and we'll grow together. We'll help each other grow. We'll help each other grow. But thank you, Gabriel. Thank you, FX, for this the quick analysis, the quick breakdown. Um, as you guys saw YouTube, as you guys saw chat, that was a quick market breakdown from Gabriel. Um, quick market breakdown from Gabriel, analysis from Gabriel. Thanks for that. But as well, let's also look what let's also look news-wise. Let's also look news-wise. Let's also look what do we expect for the week. Not just yeah not just do the technical analysis. Not just do the technical analysis. But let's also look at the background. Yeah, let's also look at the background. Try to see what type of volume we might expect, what type of volume we might expect, what type of liquidity we might expect for the week as well. And to do that, I rely on news. So I mean, let's also look at news. Let's also look. Let's look at what this week awaits us. As always, you can choose whatever calendar or whatever calendar you feel comfortable. There's my FX book, economic calendar. There's Forex Factory as well, and so on. Even in TradingView, if you go to TradingView, you click right here on this corner here that says calendar. You can see the calendar. Yeah, you can see the calendar for the following week, news for the following week, and what's expected from the market for this week. So let's look at that. Let's actually look at that. Um, starting Mondays, as always. Not as always, but I like to say that. Starting Monday, we got some. I can see core CPI for the euro. Um, Around London for London core CPI for the euro. German Buddha monthly report. We got some solid. I would say solid volume for Monday. Not expecting anything crazy for Monday. I will be looking for usually normal Monday volume for me. Nothing crazy on Monday. Tuesday we have CB consumer confidence for the dollar at NY Open, not NY Open, but New York session. We have USD consumer confidence. Um, what is that about? We can see a survey of about 3,000 households, which asks respondent to rate relative to current and future economic conditions, including labor availability, business conditions, and overall economic situation. Okay, we can expect. I'm expecting some volume there. I'm expecting some volume, maybe some liquidity. Also around 10 p.m. Around 10 p.m. London time, FOMC member Logan speaks in the US dollars for the US dollars. Wednesday, starting NY section. Sorry, not NY, starting Asian session. Straight, yeah, at the open of Asian session, if we're gonna open the Asian session with great volume and a lot of volume with the Australian dollar CPI yearly report. Yeah, yearly report, if I'm not mistaken. The consumers price account for major overall inflation. Inflation is important to currency valuation because rising prices lead to central banks to raise interest rates out of respect to their inflation containing mandate. So our yearly inflation rate for the Australian dollar will come immediately at Asian, and then later on Wednesday, 26th of Feb, New York City, New York, yes, New York session that we should expect great volume from the US dollar with new home sales, crude oil investors, and G20 meeting. I wonder what that will be. G20 meeting the whole day, the whole of New York session. G20 meeting, what would that be? G20 meetings are attended by finance ministers and central banks from 20 industrialized nations, including G7 nations: Canada, Italy, France, Germany, Japan, UK, and the US. The meetings are closed to the press, but officials usually talk with reporters through the day, and a formal statement covering policy shift and meeting objectives is related after the meeting have concluded. So great impact from investors. Yeah, great impact from investors that will expect from Wednesday. So Wednesday heavy volume straight from I hope I believe not I believe, but I expect great volume straight up from starting from Asian section all the way to NY section. So Wednesday, keep that in your calendar. Keep that in your calendar a day to keep in mind. Oh, did I mention? Oh, I did mention consumer confidence, and also I forgot to mention Richard manufacturing index and FOMC bar and barking speaks for on Tuesday. New York session as well. Thursday we might have some confluences. I see a lot going on for Thursday. Starting London section, some Spanish flash CPI. Then later on for NY we have unemployment claims, core durable good orders, and premium GDP price index, gross domestic product price index for the US dollar. Also some G20 meetings, natural gas storage. So Thursday as well, great volume that I'm expecting for the market. Yeah, some great volume. Not huge volume as other days as FOMC, but something to keep in mind. Something to keep in mind. Every day is a day to keep in mind, except Mondays. Mondays usually tend to be a chill Monday, but we'll see about that. And finally finishing Friday. finishing Friday, Asian with um Asian. No, no, no. Asian with, yes, Asian with, we have Tokyo core CPI, and also some industrial production, retail sales, London section, Germany CPI, prelim CPI, retail sales as well, and yeah, usually, and closing NY with core PCE price index, good trade balance, and Chicago PMI for Friday. And Saturday we have manufacturing PMI, and yeah, manufacturing PMI for the SS CNY. CNY is yen. Is it the, no? It's not the yen. CNY.
CNY.
CNY. Yes,
Yo,
it's
what?
Swift. What's the currency? CNY. 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 What is this currency?
You know what? It's
Mm.
the first time I ever see that.
Really?
I'm only
Uh,
used to seeing USD, Euro, Odd, CAD.
CNY. Zloty. No, this is yen. China. China yen. What?
China.
Official, wait, the official currency, People's Republic of China, yeah, Republic of China. The basic unit, re, renminbi is yuan. CNY. Is it Japanese yen? Chinese yen, yeah, Chinese yen, actually. CNY. Wow, I didn't know it was CNY. I was expecting GPY, Japanese yen, yeah. But do you see this? I'm not mistaken. Am I mistaken? Am I
Yeah, I
wrong?
see, I see, I see.
Replacement courses. Yuan Chinese. Yuan Chinese. Yeah, it's a currency used in China. So not Japanese yen for sure, because I think Japanese yen is GPY, G GPNY. Oh, okay. So there's Japanese yen and there's Chinese yen. You see, two different
Mm-hmm.
currencies. Yeah. So the Chinese yen. Wow. We're learning, chat. We learn every day. We learn every day, a new day. Yeah. So Chinese, yeah, the Chinese yen for Saturday, but Saturday it's a weekend. I don't think I don't think anyone will be trading. But if you're trading, keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. We have some manufacturing PMI for the Chinese yen. So yeah, overall for the next week, um, not a very heavy week or in terms of volume and volatility, but we can expect now and then in especially in special hours. Yeah, yeah, special hours usually market open and market close. So for NY, Asian, and London, I would say most likely on Wednesday. No, no, no. London, yeah, London on Wednesday and Thursday as well. Some volume there. New York as well. New York from Tuesday. New York session from Tuesday all the way to Friday. Some great news, some great volume. And I would say from Asian looks kind of the Asian session looks kind of slow. Monday, Tuesday also maybe a little bit slow. Uh, Wednesday, great volume. I see great volume for the Asian session. Thursday as well, and also ending on Friday with great volume. Friday tends to have a lot of volume. Depending on for me, depending on the Friday, but Friday usually tends to have a lot of volume. On gold this Friday we didn't see a lot of volume, although I was expecting a lot to happen. but Friday we will just consolidating. Am I right? Yeah, if I'm not mistaken,
Yeah, pretty
Friday,
much consolidation day.
yeah, Friday of the last week we will just consolidating. So yeah, that's news wise, that's how I see things happening. So a slow, yeah, slow steady market from starting Monday, and then Tuesday, Tuesday, yeah, Tuesday. Did I say Tuesday? Tuesday or Wednesday? Yeah, Tuesday starting. Yeah, Tuesday NY. Yeah, from Tuesday starting from NY open, New York session starting from New York session. I expect volume. I expect volume from Tuesday all the way to Friday, or Thursday all the way to Thursday actually, and Friday. Friday I always put Friday on a question mark. So, but for the New York session, starting Tuesday, I expect great volume all the way to Friday, and also for London section, I'm expecting volume starting Wednesday all the way to Friday, and then yeah, Asian section I already said. So yeah, those are your three sections, and yeah, so let's go down to the market breakdown. Let's go to the market breakdown, my market breakdown, my ideas, my thoughts. Yeah. Thanks, Gabriel here. His ideas are so valid. Not to say that they're not valid. They're super valid. They're super. Yeah, they're super valid. So yeah. Where's my water? Where's my water? Give me a minute. Check a minute. Let me take a minute. I just had to catch my breath for a little second. I just have to breathe. I just had to breathe. English is funny. Mm, okay. So what do I now? Like, technical wise, strategy wise, technical wise, my technique. Yeah, is it technical wise? Is it technical? What do you call analysis? What is analysis called? It's a technique, right?
Analysis.
Oh, thank you. So let's get to my technical analysis for gold. Starting from daily, on the daily chart, I see my support. I see we hit price last week hit a whole time high of, what is this, all time high of 29.59, around there, if I'm not mistaken. If we are not mistaken, somewhere around there, 29. Yeah, I would say 29.55 actually. 2,955. 2,955, yes, perfect. And our low of last week, the lowest of that we hit last week. Oh yeah, let's go for weekly action. Let's go for a weekly low. Our low that we hit for last week was of 28.79. Let me see that on the daily. Uh, no, around, yeah, 28.79. Actually, let me put 29. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, it's 28.79. I would say around there. Around there. So our high for last week was of 2,900 and 500, and our low was of 2,870. Wait, you guys see the chart? Why is it not updating the chart for you guys? Okay, okay, okay. I think now it's updating. It took a minute there, and it's kind of slowish. But okay, our low was of 28.70, 28. 2879. So looking at the daily, I can already see, if I was looking for, yeah, looking at the daily chart, if I'm looking at the daily chart, I would expect the looking at the daily chart, let me say like that, looking at the daily chart, if 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 the markets end up selling, um I would expect price to drop all the way down till 28, not all the way down till there, because first of all, we cannot forget one thing, as Gabriel said. The markets are still bullish. The markets are still bullish. So right now we kinda respecting on the level 29.20. Let me round this up to 10. I see 19, but let me round this up to 29.20. Actually, let me round this up to 29.20. So we're kind of respecting that low of 29.20. Yeah, yes, yes, yeah. We kind of respecting this low of 29.20. So daily wise or weekly wise, if if the markets are bearish for the next week, yeah, if the markets are bearish for the next week, I'm expecting, I'm expecting price to reach to drop below. Yes, I'm expecting price to drop below 29.20 and have some beautiful 100 pip sales, 200 pip sales, all the way till 29. Sorry, 28. Excuse me, 28.90, 28.99 for your for my for your first TP, or for the maximum TP, or for take profit, for sales take profit, yeah, and possibly hopefully, yeah, and possibly all the way down till 28, 28 70, 78, 28, 28 80, 28 80. So for the next week, if the markets are bearish, for the next week, I'm expecting. I would prefer, actually. I would prefer. That's my yeah. That's my English. I would prefer. That's my English. That's what I wanted to say. I would prefer for price to drop first, for your first TP. Not your first TP, but for our short TP, for my short TP, I would like for my 100 pip and TP, 100 pips profit. I would prefer for price to drop all the way down to 2,899, and possibly take it down further, all the way to 2,888. Well, that's something we have to wait and see and keep in mind. For buys, You were looking for buys, actually, FX. You say, because we were respecting. I forgot to mark the levels that you mentioned, but something that you actually, yeah, you actually mentioned that we've been rejecting these levels here. Sorry, we've been rejecting. Yeah, we've been rejecting 29, 20. So yeah, possible buys for, yeah, actually. I'll stand beside you, whereby, yeah, I'll stand beside you, whereby we take buys, yeah, we take buys above 29.20, all the way till, yes, all the way till 29, 29.55, and pause for good 300 pip 300 pip trade. That's gonna be insane, but okay, it's not gonna happen like that, exactly like that. But because to say, um, yeah, while we are, okay, yeah, actually, while we're above, while we're above while we're above 29.20, while we're above 29.20, well, I'll be actually looking for those buys exactly, yeah, for those buys all the way till 29.55, and possibly till 29.60. Printing our new all-time high. Yeah, printing a new time all-time high on 29.60. So let me just put that on here for possible, yeah, just for possible, or even 64. Let's go to 64, because we know from history, yeah, we know from history that gold likes to go in $5 increment. Gold likes to go in $5 increments. So if you can get price, yeah, so if you can get price to actually, you see, yeah, so if you to correct, if you can get price to keep bullish and reject 29, 20, 29, yeah, 29.20, 2,920 or 2,930 as well. Yeah, 2,930 as well. If you can get price to reject those levels, those prices, and continue driving price, will continue driving gold bullish. I would prefer, yeah, I would take buys. I would prefer, not I would take, because I don't know what I would take, but I would prefer buys from 29.30. Yeah, I would prefer buys above 29.30, above 29.20, all the way till first TP of 29.55. And if you do actually start printing new all-time high, I may be taking all the way up till 29.64. Yeah, 29.64. Then we'll see how the market plays out afterwards. But for now, this is what I'm looking at. Let me go down to the 1 hour actually, per hour, I can identify our range for Monday, because I see, actually, yeah, it's been heavily respected. This area has been heavily respected. It's been heavily respecting this area. Eh, excuse me, pardon. Excuse me, chat. Excuse me, YouTube. Oh, yeah, we've been actually respecting and rejecting a lot around these levels, around 20, in between 29.30 and sorry, 29.30 and 29.20. 2,930, 2,920. If you don't know how to read, come on, 2,000, it's 2,000, 2,930, 2,920. So we've been respecting a lot. We've been rejecting and respecting a lot these levels around here. So let me actually put support, a support level. Let me put a support level around this area over here. I will draw, so that we know that here price has been, how can I say, heavily bought. Yeah, around here price has been heavily bought. So around this level, there's been a lot of I would say liquidity grab, because what, it's been, yeah, liquidity grab, because price came to 29. What is this? Let me drop this level actually to here. This is 29, 28, 466. Okay, so price came out along, this was actually a resistance, and yeah, it actually became a support. It was first a resistance, one, yeah, one, two, then we broke above, then we broke below. So yeah, around here There's a lot been happening. This level, this area is an area of where buyers, yeah, where buyers and sellers were, where previously buyers and sellers were have strong, yeah, where, yeah, how do I say this? This area was, it's an area where there were a lot of buyers and a lot of sellers. So coming down to this level, coming down to this level. Currently price is at 29, 29, 29, 29. Right. Oh, okay. Currently price, yes, last week price closed at 29.36. So we don't know how how we might open in a few hours, in a few minutes actually. Yeah, in a few minutes how we're gonna open. If we're gonna open below, above, if we're gonna open bullish or if we're gonna open bearish. But one thing we can say is that around 29, around 29, around 2,928, uh the this yeah, around this price, buyers and sellers were strongly in were strongly was strongly traded. So what could actually happen? There's two scenarios that I'm seeing right now. There's two scenarios that could happen. If price actually comes down to 2980, we could have strong strong sell. We can come down to this level, respect this level. Yeah, respect this level. Sorry, not that. We can come down to this level, respect this level, and then continue pushing bullish, or we can come down to this level and actually be a liquidity. Yes, come down to this level, respect a lot. Then we have a liquidity grab where actually price breaks. Where actually price breaks below. What is the bottom line here? I would say 29 2000 2926. So where price actually breaks below 2960, and we get a lot of liquidity. Just, yeah, grab liquidity, and then price pushing to keep price pushing up, going bullish. Or as well, we could have a lot of consolidation. Sorry, let me just quickly, what is this? Yeah, or we can have a lot of consolidation around here. So basically Monday we might be consolidating in between in between this area. And then, so that when volume kicks in, when we have volume kicking in, we keep pushing price below and break below. As soon as we break below 2920, I'll be actually be looking for sales. Wait, sorry. No, that's not what I need to do. I'll actually be looking for sales. Yeah, actually be looking for sales so that we can actually fill. So we can actually fill this level. First of all, the first TP might be around here. At This is a good 100 pip trade. Your first sell might be around here to 29, 2,908, because we cannot forget there's also a support over here. So we don't know if this support might be heavily respected or not. But at the moment, I see one, two, three, yeah, uh, a bit of confluence, but we'll have to wait and see. But it's still a clean trade that can actually go down all the way down to 2895, 2895 for your second TP, and finally for your third TP of the week, and actually end up the week on a golden way. End up the week on the golden way till 2870, 2800. Let's say 2880, 2880 actually. So for the whole week, I'm seeing, for beautiful sales for the week, I'm seeing a whole 3,000, 3,000, no, not 3,000, 300, 300 and 386 pip move. If the market end up selling throughout the week, if the market ends up selling throughout the week, I'm seeing a good 300, 380 pip move, 380 pip trade. But if you actually do end up buying, for the week, we might go all the way up to yeah, all the way up till 29.64, 64 or even 66. I don't know, depending on how the markets will move, depending on the markets will go. But that's something to keep in mind. So overall, we cannot deny that we still the markets monthly wise, weekly wise, the market is still bullish. The market is still bullish. But let's see, let's wait for this week. Let's see how this week plays out. Yeah, let's see how this week plays out. Let's see how this week plays out, and yeah, let's see how this week plays out, and hopefully get good, better trades and better, yeah, and get good trades. Can get good trades out of it. Let's see how this week plays out. But for buys, I didn't mark. Yeah, for sales, beautiful sales, I would say below 29. Yeah, below 29.20. Those are some beautiful sales, all the way down till 2,880. As I said, 2,880. Buys, beautiful buys. From I would Okay. This is from here. Let's say here. Let's say here. This is how many pips move. 100 pip move. Okay. Now for buys, I cannot say much for buys because I don't. Yeah, because gold is still bullish. Gold is, yeah. I cannot say too much for buys because gold is still bullish. It's still on an uptrend, and we don't know. I don't know how high price can print. So if you actually do end up, if price actually does end up going bullish, we're just gonna enter the trade while yeah, while price keeps respecting its low of 20. Right now I'm seeing of 29, 29, 29, 30, 29, 28. Yeah, while we're still above, or even let me say like while we're still above 29, 29, 20, or 2,920. Let's take those buys till all-time high. Yeah, let's take those buys possibly all the way to all-time high, or to the highest of 2,955. Also, keep in mind this level. I see we had some rejection at 2,950. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind. So let's wait and see how the market plays out for us for this week. But overall, like Gabriel said, let's keep an eye for those buys. Let's keep an eye for those sells. Buys while we're still above. Yeah, buys while we're still above 29.20, and sells if we cross below 29.20. So you guys already know chat. You guys already know YouTube. Yeah, we trade break of structure. We trade. I trade break of structure. I trade break of support, break of resistance, and no matter what time frame you trade, there's always a trade. There's always a trade. Even if I go down to at 15 minute, if the markets were open, this is a one-to-one trade here, right here. If price drops below 29.32, yeah, 29.32, all the way to this is a 40 pip trade right here, and a nice quick stop loss. And buys, I would say, yeah, buy is still above 40 to 42. But you guys know chat, you guys know trade, you guys know YouTube, you guys know Kingsman, how we trade. You guys know how you trade. Yeah, you guys know how you trade. You guys know how we trade. So keep in mind, just keep in mind, just be patient. Be patient, and be on the correct side of the market. Yeah, be on the correct side of the market. Don't miss your plane. Do not miss your plane. Just don't miss your plane. But yeah, overall, that's what I'm seeing. I'm expecting Monday to be. I'm always expecting Monday to be a slow Monday, because I don't know why Monday usually tends to be slow. But not to say that we don't find trades. We do find trades, but it's how I see the markets. Monday is usually slow, and I'm expecting volume to actually kick in and pick up starting starting what we said starting Tuesday. Yeah, starting Tuesday in New York session, and going down to Friday, and possibly some. Yeah, possibly some. Yeah, starting Tuesday actually, starting Tuesday all the way to Thursday, and possibly some consolidation on Friday, or market slowing down, and or market slowing down on Friday. So, that's yeah, market yeah, that's what I see. That's what I'm expecting. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm expecting. Those are the probabilities that I see. And what I would prefer right now, looking out how these markets, out looking how these candles are. I'll not even look at 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, because when I usually look at this, when I look at five, okay, from 5 minutes to 30 minutes, that's when I'm looking for the trades. Yeah, that's when I'm actually looking for the trades. But since I'm just looking for the trend, yeah, for the trend and overall market, yeah. Since I'm just looking for the trend and overall how I expect market to move, still I would say I will wait for the sales. I'm actually kind of I would enjoy for the sales to play out because I will enjoy it because yeah, just because right now we just if you look at the 4 hour, if you look at the 4 hour, we're just consolidating between you're consolidating between 29. Okay, looking okay, we I think this is a daily. This is a daily. Yeah, I know it was a daily thing. I knew it was a daily consolidation actually. So if you guys actually see on the daily, we actually is that yeah, okay, perfect. So let me do this red. Let me be sneaky for you guys. Let me be sneaky for you guys. So looking at the daily. Yeah, looking at the daily chart, we're actually consolidating between 2,950 and 2,920. So knowing that this is our consolidation area for the daily chart, so you already know buys above 2,950, sells below 2,920. So beautiful trades ahead of us. Beautiful trades ahead of us, beautiful trades ahead of for this week. So let's just wait and be patient for what the market holds us. Yeah, what the market holds us and what do we expect from the market. So yeah, chat, that was a quick market breakdown for the 23rd of February all the way to the 28th of February and 29th of February actually. Oh, sorry, there's no 29, all the way to the 1st of March. Saturday. There's some news as well. So yeah, am I forgetting something? I don't. Am I forgetting something? Gabriel, do you think I'm forgetting something?
Mm, maybe to announce the 5K challenge.
Huh?
Maybe to announce the 5K challenge.
I don't know what you're speaking about. We're still on the 10K challenge. I don't know what you're speaking about. We're still on the 10K. We're still on the 10K challenge. The $10 tool. Yeah. Oh, okay. The announcement is this. This is gonna be our fourth try. Fourth try? Yes, fourth try. So basically, so far we are down. So far we are down $40. Wow, chat. Wait. Yes, we are down $40 because why? Because we did not take profits. Huh? We did not take profit, chat. Didn't we last week? Not even last week. The first week, didn't we? On our first week, I believe we've reached till yeah. On our first week, we've reached $70. So I don't know why your boy. I don't know why I was so dumb not to take profits, guys. Not dumb, not dumb. It's not about being dumb. It's just you know you gotta relax your ego, guys. You gotta relax your ego. Relax your
Definitely.
huh?
Definitely.
Yeah, relax your ego, guys. Take profit. The market always gives you profit. Take the profits. Go out. Be happy. Yeah, be happy. Come back another day. Don't try to overdo things. Don't try to. Yeah. Don't try. Don't do not take. just because, yeah, do not squeeze the lemon so hard. What? Pause on that, pause on that. Some do not take my quotes out of hand, but what I'm trying to say is leave some seeds so you can have more lemons. Okay, leave some seeds so you can have more lemons. Do not take all the lemons out of the tree. Leave some seeds so you can have more lemons. So yeah, the announcement is this: we are down minus 40 dollars. Yeah, we're down $40, and actually because of taking profit, not taking profit. So import rule. I think that's I don't know. I don't remember what rule was it, but I mentioned one of the rules of trading. Always take profit. Rule number one will always be the same: risk management. Take proper risk. Calculate your risk. Risk management, I just changed to emotional control, emotional management. Manage your emotion, calculate your risk. Yeah, calculate your emotion, calculate your risk acceptance. Then rule two, move your stop losses. Move your stop loss. Always put your stop loss. Always put your stop loss. Always put your TP. Always put your TP. Always put your stop loss. And rule number three: do not forget to take profit. Take profit, chat.
And
Take
that's the
profit.
most important one.
Just take profit, chat. Do not come here to lose money. Although you came here knowing that, okay, I lost this money, but the idea is not for you to lose the money. For the idea is for you to take how do I say this? Take a money that you don't need and make something out of it. Yes, and make something out of it. So yeah, that was so quick announcement. I'm gonna not I'm gonna make, but already did. I already made a deposit for this week. For this week. So let's see how this week plays out for us. And actually, let's. Oh, one more thing. Join the market movers so we can draw your own specific what trading plan, your own specific trading plan that goes according to your, yeah, that goes according to your schedule, your risk accept, that goes according to your personality. Actually, that goes according to your personality. So uh draw a good quick tip for you guys: draw a good trading strategy, a good trading plan that you're gonna take throughout the day and that you're gonna follow. So rule number four, I don't think it's rule number four, but I think this rule should have been between rule number one and rule number two. Draw a good trading plan. Or yeah, make a good trading plan. Actually draw, write it down. Literally chat, not literally, yeah, literally YouTube, literally chat, do that, write it down. You need to write it down: how much you're gonna risk, how much you're gonna risk, what's your risk to reward. And yeah, actually write it down, your trading plan. Write it down, your trading plan. Write it down, your trading. Yeah, write down your trading plan. So you actually follow and take accountability for your trades and for your actions. So, and don't forget to journal as well. Don't forget to journal as well. That's the fifth and sixth rule. Yeah, journal your trades so that you can improve. And you guys already know we already have a journal here on the Kingsman. So if you want that journal, if you want access to that journal, you already know what to do, chat. You already know what to do. So yeah, that's the announcement for this week. Quick, those were the news. Those are the news that we were waiting for this week. I thought we talked about the news that yeah, we talked about news wise. We talked about news wise. What are we waiting for this week? We talked about we did a quick market analysis, and now to our account, now to our account, now to our actual value, our actual, not the actual value, but to our actual money. We are down $40, but that's nothing. That's nothing. I'm not gonna cry about it because I know because I know I don't need it. It's just $10. Yeah, literally $10. But what I'm trying to say, the challenge is still on. We're still back again. The challenge is still on. We're gonna take $10 to, I don't know, 10,000. It can even be more than 10,000. I just put it there 10,000, just for the fun of it, just to click bait you guys, and show you guys that it's possible. But not that we're actually gonna reach that. We're actually gonna reach that, but along the process, we're gonna take profits. Along the process, we're gonna reward ourselves for actually following our plans. Okay, so another $10 for this week. Let's see how long it takes us to reach our goal. Let's see how long it takes us to reach our goal. Let's see how it goes about it. And let me show you guys the real. Let me keep you guys the real. And yeah, stay tuned, chat. Stay tuned, chat. Stay tuned, YouTube. Stay tuned, Kingsman. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for everything. And yeah, you already know what to do. You already know what to do. I don't need to explain. Peace out. See you next time. Enjoy.
Wow.